Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that I have on my watch list that we're going to be looking for what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. So if that sounds interesting to you, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like this video and share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it. Without further ado, let's dive right into that. We're going to start off with DXY, the US dollar currency index. As we can see, this is from the weekly time frame. We can see that prices reached this major resistance structure and have closed with the pin last week. That indicates a great reversal possibility for this coming week. So obviously, we see prices have been pushing for a while. So if we switch to the daily time frame, we can see it also has aligned with the daily resistance. So what I'll be looking to see, obviously prices are still in an uptrend as prices just broke above this high, yay high, and this descending trend line, obviously. So what I'm anticipating to see is prices retrace until probably this support structure to look for more buying pressure before we see prices actually push higher. So that's what I'm really anticipating to see happen on DXY this coming week. How will this be impacting other currency pairs? Now, we obviously understand that DXY is inversely correlated to other pairs like Euro USD. So if DXY will be bearish, other pairs like Euro USD will be bullish. So I'll be anticipating to see prices buy a bit before we actually see prices start selling. However, we need to be very careful with how prices will be reacting to this. As you can see right now, prices, if you look at the momentum, the bearish momentum was very strong, unlike this bullish momentum. So we need to be very, very careful. Again, very, very careful, because the trend is clearly still bearish, and trading against the trend is never wise. But obviously, this is what we're anticipating to see play out. And since the trend is bearish and the momentum is bearish, I'll be very careful while taking these trades, right? GBP USD, same thing. Prices, we're anticipating to see prices break below here before we actually see a push. Now prices have already broken below here. And the retracement, obviously I won't be anticipating to see prices push any higher here. I'll just be anticipating to see some kind of a range before we actually see that bearish drop. So with GU, I'll just be waiting for that bearish drop to start, and then we're going to be taking our sells. With gold, we can see prices have already started being bearish. So for me to take a trade on this, let's look at it from a 4-hour perspective. I'll just be waiting for prices to break below this trend line, give us a retest before we actually take that and, start selling. So as far as gold is involved, this is what I'm anticipating to see play out, right? All right, now that's as far as the US dollar pair goes. Now let's look at this opposite. We call it JPYX, or Japanese yen basket. Obviously, you can see that last week prices closed with a pin, same one the US dollar has closed with this week. So obviously, next week DXY will be anticipating to see something like this. So with JPYX, we already have a bearish confirmation. So I'll be anticipating to see prices just continue dropping. However, it won't just be a drop. Obviously, if you zoom out, this is what I'm anticipating to see play out. I'll be anticipating to see prices retrace on this structure here, give us a third touch before we actually see that crazy drop. So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen on JPYX. On KJPY, I'll be anticipating to see a retracement all the way until here before we see that buy. On Euro USD, I'll be anticipating to also see this retracement all the way until this structure here before we continue that buy. So that's what I'm anticipating to see play out on all the JPYX pairs. and that's how I'm anticipating them to play out. So without further ado, guys, if you found value in this video, please consider giving us a like, comment what you took out from this video, share with a few friends that you believe will also find value in it, and don't forget to subscribe as more content is always on the way. Till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Peace.